Hello students, welcome again in our part 3, chapter number 5, acid, base and salt. Okay, in this part we learn about the ant-sting, soil treatment, factory waste, etc. in neutralization in everyday life and more about the salts. Okay. Yes students, now let's us discuss about the ants sting or ants bite. The stings of an ant contain an acid called formic acid. So when an acid ant sting or bites a person, it inject an acidic liquid into the skin of the person which causes burning pain. Okay, that means if the sting of ant is cut your skin, okay, so if an ant sting a person, then rubbing a mild base like baking soda solution or calamine solution on the stung area of the skin gives relief. Okay, this is because being a base, baking soda solution or calamine solution neutralize the acidic liquid injected by the ant and cancels its effect. Okay, please note that calamine solution contain a base called zinc carbonate. Okay, clear? Yes. In a simple words, we can say that when an ant bite, it injects the acidic liquid formic acid into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda. Baking soda means sodium hydrogen carbonate or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. Okay. Okay students, now we are going to our next topic, soil treatment. Yes, what is soil treatment? When soil are too acidic, often as a result of an acid rain, they can be treated with the slacked lime, chalk or quicklime. All alkaline plants and crops grow best in natural soils. Okay. In other words, we can say that the soil may be acidic or basic naturally. The plants do not grow well in its soil at a place is too acidic or too basic. So, we can use the excessive use of chemical fertilizers in the field also makes the soil too acidic. When soil is too acidic, is treated by the bases such as quicklime. Okay, quicklime means calcium oxide or slacked lime means calcium hydroxide. The bases such as quicklime or slacked lime neutralize the excess acid present in the soil and reduce its acidic nature. Okay, thus a farmer should add quicklime or slacked lime in the field in the soil is too acidic. Sometimes, however, the soil is too basic. If the soil is too basic, then decaying organic matter called manure or compost is added to it. The decaying organic matter release acids which neutralize the excess base present in the soil and reduce the basic nature. Thus, a farmer should add decaying organic matter or manure or compost in the field in the soil is too basic. Clear? Now, our next point is factory bases. Okay, in this point we have to discuss the waste substance discharges by many factories contain acids. In these untreated factory wastes are discharged into water bodies like ponds, rivers, lakes, etc. Then the acid present in them will kill the fish and other aquatic organisms which live in the water bodies. The acidic factory waste should be treated with basic substances to neutralize them before discharging them into water bodies such lakes, ponds and river, etc. Clear beta? Now we will discussing about the salt. What is salt? Yeah, a salt is a substance formed by a reaction of an acid with a base. For example, a salt is sodium chloride. It is formed by the reaction of hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide base. In a way, we can see that a salt has two parents, okay, an acid and a base. So the name of salt consists of two parts. The first part of the salt name is derived from the name of the base, and second part of the salt name is derived from the name of the acids. Okay, for example, the name of the salt called sodium chlorides. Okay, that word comes from the sodium hydroxide base and hydrochloric acid. Okay, clear? Yes. Yeah, salt compound form when the negative ions from an acid and combine with the positive ion of a base. Salt is essential for many animals. Other salt uses including manufacturing of paint, rubber, glass, soap, detergent and dry cell batteries also. Yes, product of an acid base reaction. Okay. Yes, salt. Any ionic compound made from the neutralization of an acid and with a base. A salt is made from the positive ion of a base and the negative ion of an acid. A neutralization reaction produces water and a salt. Yes, students. Now, properties of salts. Yeah, most of the salts are crystalline, solid, salty, may be transparent or opaque. Most of the salt are soluble in water. Solution of salt conduct electricity. Salts conduct electricity in their melting state. Also, a salt may be salty, sour, sweet, bitter and umami means savory. Okay, neutral salts are odorless. Okay, and salts can be colorless of colored. Okay, the properties of salts are hard and brittle, high boiling points and melting points, soluble in water, insoluble in organic solvent like kerosene, and conduct electricity. Yes, students, you already know about the salt. Yeah, salt is a natural substance produced from the reaction of an acid and base and compound of the negative ion and acid and the positive ion of base, one of the product of neutralization reaction like example KCl potassium chloride, MgSO4 magnesium sulfate and NaPO4. Okay, salt can be of three types: natural salt, acidic salt and basic salt. Yeah, those salt which form a natural solution on dissolving in water are called a natural salt. Yes, like sodium chloride and sodium sulfate. Okay, and those salt which form an acidic solution or dissolving in water are called acidic salt like ammonium chloride and ammonium sulfate. Okay, and those salt which form basic solution or dissolving in water are called basic salt. Okay, like sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, yes, in three categories like the salt means natural salt is the solution of a neutral salt has no effect of any litmus. Okay, but natural salt no any effect on litmus. Okay, and the acidic salt, this salt is and acidic salt in water turns blue litmus to red. Okay, and the basic salt turn red litmus to blue. Okay students, now our chapter is over. I hope you understand what is in this chapter. Okay, thank you.